friends, welcome back to ChithrArt. This is the class for day 7. For this painting, we need drawing paper, 1 pencil, 1 eraser and colors like brown, yellow, orange and black. Draw 1 circle as face. Add eyes and nose. Now draw the neck. Draw a big circle as stomach. Add the legs and tail. Add the patterns now. Darken the drawing with black color. Now start coloring. Fill the patterns with brown color. Add some shadows and we are done. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like and share. If you have any doubts, just comment down below. Bye. See you next class.